Now the important one among all the chemicals, that is baking soda. Very very important, because we use it at our home, that means in kitchen, that means we can eat this. So very very important. It is also made from common salt, that means it is or this or its constituent. So baking soda, first, what is the formula for baking soda? The baking soda has a formula NaHCO3, and its name sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is also a white crystalline solid in its powdered form, and each you can say particle of powder it's a crystalline form. So now how it is prepared, very very important. Preparation of baking soda. The preparation of baking soda is done with the help of brine water plus ammonia plus CO2 gas. Okay, brine water plus ammonia plus CO2 gas will give us baking soda. Very very important, because it is we use baking soda at our home, that means it in kitchen, because it is used for faster cooking. It is used for making baking powder as well. Very very important. The cake, the pakoras we eat at home, or you can say the bhaturas we eat this is used in all the things which the cake as well, because the cake which rises, it's because of baking soda, you can say baking powder. Okay, so brine water plus NH3 plus CO2 will give us baking soda. Now I am just telling you what is the reaction behind it. Brine water, as I told earlier, that brine water is simply what is NaCl plus water, or you can say brine simple. NaCl plus water, that is H2O, plus NH3 plus CO2. So what happens? It will produce what? First, ammonium chloride, and the second thing, NaHCO3. It is baking soda. Baking soda. It is basic in nature. Very very important, because of strong acid, because of presence of strong acid, it is basic in nature, and it is used in antacid as well. Used as an antacid as well. It is ammonium chloride. The another product which is we are having, that is ammonium chloride. So it is how baking soda is prepared. Now what are the uses of this? Very very important, because some reactions are there. That's why I am telling here. What are the uses of this? First, which makes इसको जब हम heat करें, when we will heat this, it will produce carbon dioxide gas. When we will heat this, or we know that on cooking we heat the raw food which we are having. That means जो भी हमें खाना मिलता है, जो हम खाना बनाते हैं, उसको हम heat देते हैं, और that is why it is important, because on heating it produces carbon dioxide gas. It produces carbon dioxide gas, or carbon dioxide gas ही important है, because it makes pores between the that is मैदा और wheat flour, whatever it is, उसमें pores produce करती है, and pores is producing because of carbon dioxide gas, जो इससे हमें produce मिलेगी. So just the reaction will go like this: NaHCO3. That means on heating, what it will produce? Na2CO3, Na2CO 3 sodium carbonate and CO2 plus water. CO2 plus water. And this carbon dioxide gas is very, very important. The reason of cake or bhatura is because of this carbon, or bread, the pores inside the bread is because of the cake, and bread is because of this carbon dioxide gas. This gas makes pore in between the floor of maida, that means bread or cake. So this is very, very important. Now, where it is used? It is used as antacid. Uses, I am telling, it is used as antacid. It is used as antacid. That means the acidity we have is that means we can overcome by using baking soda. इस बेकिंग सोडा का यूज करके हम उस एसिडिटी को ओवरकम कर सकते हैं. Now how? Let's suppose HCl. As we know कि HCl is present in inside our body. अगर इसकी मात्रा excess हो जाए, if it is, that means the large amount of HCl is cause acidity, and when we will add HCO3, it is acid, it is a type of basic salt. So what it will produce? It will produce NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas. So here you can see कि a neutral product is formed. A neutral product, that is NaCl. So जो acidity है वो क्या होती है? Overcome हो जाती है because of by the use of baking soda. Now second and important one, in the preparation of baking powder, the use in the preparation of baking powder. So what is baking powder? It is not baking powder. जब इसमें हम एसिड मिलाते हैं, और माइल्ड एसिड, यू कैन से ऑर्गेनिक एसिड अगर हम प्रिपेयर डाल दें, so then we will have a baking powder. Okay, so let's suppose NaHCO3 is treated with you can say organic acid. तो ऑर्गेनिक एसिड, दो इट इज वीक एसिड, ऑर्गेनिक एसिड क्या होता है? वीक एसिड होता है. तो इट विल फर्निश लेस हाइड्रोजन आयन. तो लेस हाइड्रोजन आयन प्रोड्यूस करके व्हाट इट विल फॉर्म? इट विल फॉर्म फर्स्ट H, एक H ये है, एक H ये है, यहां से निकल गया O. इट विल प्रोड्यूस H2O. ओके, एंड C बचा क्या? CON2. इट विल प्रोड्यूस CO2 प्लस सोडियम salt. So it is baking. This whole process is baking powder. Okay, this is baking powder. That means how baking powder is manufactured. And baking powder, the sodium salt, the baking powder which we are having is what? Is neutral in nature. It will be neutral in nature. ये neutral होगा. As we know, it is basic in nature, तो it will have a bitter taste. अगर ये bitter होगा तो केक भी bitter हो जाएगा. और you can say कि जो हम पकौड़ाज और what that means cake, bread, it will be bitter in taste. So that's why baking powder is little bit different from baking soda because of its basic nature. Basic nature है तो it will have a bitter taste, but baking soda is salty. That means salty in taste. So that's why baking powder is a little bit different from baking soda. This is how baking powder is formed. So this is very important. The rest of the uses you have to write from the textbook. Okay. Now the next type of chemical is washing soda. Very, very important because we use it as well at our home in the form of washing powder, soap, etc. So it is also a white crystalline solid in powdered form, and it is also it is a very unique property of cleaning property. Okay, that means the soap we use at home, we use that soap for cleaning our body, or as well as the washing powder we use, it contains washing soda which cleans our clothes as well. So very, very important, this type this chemical is washing soda. First, what is the name of, that means what is the name of washing soda? What is the formula for washing soda? Washing soda is has a formula Na2CO3, 10 molecules of water. This is known as water of crystallization. That means जब तक ये singular form में है, इसी form में है, तो ये अपनी property show नहीं करेगा until water is poured into it. Okay. Now the chemical name of this is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. It is also salt of sodium, important constituent, common salt Na. It is also prepared by sodium, that is common salt. Common salt is also having sodium. It is also having sodium. So very important, as we know, as we have learned in baking soda as well, कि sodium carbonate is produced by on heating baking soda. So how it is prepared? Preparation on heating baking soda. On heating baking soda, what we will have? We will have sodium carbonate. Okay, very important. So only what we have to do, only we have to take sodium bicarbonate, or you can say sodium hydrogen carbonate, and heat it. So what it will produce? It will produce Na2CO3, sodium carbonate plus water plus CO2. Okay, so until ये ऐसा है तो ये अपनी प्रॉपर्टी शो नहीं करेगा, तो इट नीड वाटर टू शो इट्स प्रॉपर्टी. So only what we have to, for making washing soda, what we will have, we have to pour water into it. So अगर ये ऐसा भी है तो ये atmospheric moisture लेकर अपना 10 molecules water ले सकता है. So on giving water molecule to it, what we will have? We will have washing soda. Okay. Now Na2CO3, when treated with 10 molecules of water, it will produce washing soda. Dot 10H2O. So this is washing soda, very important. Now uses cleansing agent, as I told her, it is used in paper industry and glass industries. It is used in the formation of borax as well. Borax is a cleaning agent, or you can say pesticide as well. अपने घर के चारों ओर हम बोरैक्स का छिड़काव करते हैं ताकि पेस्ट, कीड़े, इंसेक्ट्स रिपेलेंट होता है. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट constituent of soap, detergents, borax, and it is used in paper industries, or you can say the glass industries. So many industry it is used, so you have to write the uses from the textbook. Okay. Now the next chemical is very important chemical, the plaster of Paris. So first I'm telling you where it is used. It is used in walls, wall putty, in the form of wall putty. It is used for straightening of fractured bone. That is, you can say the fractured bone में हम plaster जब लगाते हैं, that is with the help of plaster of Paris. Smoothing of walls, putty in the form of putty. Very important, plaster of Paris. So the question arises कि why it is known as plaster of Paris, why it is not known as plaster of Mumbai? So very important story behind it कि it is formed by gypsum. जब पहले इसका फॉर्मेशन हुआ था तो उसको जिप्सम से बनाया जाता था. अब जिप्सम से अभी भी बनाया जाता है, बट जिप्सम इज मेनली, जब बनाया गया था फर्स्ट टाइम, तो जिप्सम से है ना, जिप्सम इज ब्रॉडली फाउंड इन पेरिस. पेरिस में बहुत ज्यादा मिलता है, तो वहां से इसको बनाया गया था, वहां पर ही बनाया गया था. तो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. ओके. नाउ POP stands for plaster of Paris. We know that for holes and the cracking in the walls, it is used for smoothing of walls. It is used for plastering as well in human body. In the case of breaking of bones, तो उस केस में इसका यूज किया जाता है. very important it is. So first, what is the formula for this and what is its name? So what is formula? Formula of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate half H2O. It is also known as water of crystallization. जब किसी कंपाउंड के साथ ऐसा लगा हुआ है, that means it is water of crystallization. It is also white powdered form, as we know that it is white powdered form में पाया जाता है. So chemical formula is CaSO4 half H2O, and its name is chemical name. It is common name. It is chemical name. Chemical name of POP is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Very, very important. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay. So it is how it is prepared now. Very, very important how it is prepared. It is prepared by the action from gypsum. It is prepared by gypsum. A strong, hard, you can say strong or hard material, gypsum. उससे इसको प्रिपेयर किया जाता है. On heating gypsum, we will obtain POP. जब हम gypsum को हीट कर दें, we will have plaster of Paris, a white powdered crystalline powder. Okay, so gypsum, what is gypsum? Gypsum is calcium sulfate 2H2O. That means हम जानते हैं प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस को जब हम पानी में मिला दें और वॉल में प्लास्टर कर दें तो व्हाट विल हैपन आफ्टर सम टाइम, आफ्टर 10 और 15 मिनट्स क्या होता है, वो सेट हो जाता है. सेटिंग, इट इज नोन एज सेटिंग. जैसे सीमेंट सेट होता है ऐसे ही ये प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस भी पानी मिलने पर सेट हो जाता है. So this is known as setting. So when it is heated, gypsum is on heating, it will produce POP. POP stands for what? Calcium sulfate half H2O. जैसे ही इसको हम हीट करेंगे ये अपने 1.5 मॉलिक्यूल लूज कर देगा and what it will produce? It will produce calcium hemihydrate. Here it is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Here it is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. अपने हाफ मॉलिक्यूल लूज कर देगा वेपर की फॉर्म में. देन वी विल हैव प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. एंड वेरी वेरी सिंपल, इट इज ऑन गिविंग वाटर टू इट. जब हम इसमें वाटर मिलाते हैं, एज वी नो दैट कि हम प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस में अपनी वॉल को स्मूथ करते समय वाटर उसमें पोर करते हैं, मिक्स करते हैं. जब हम सब मिक्स कर देंगे तो अगेन इट विल टर्न टू व्हाट? जिप्सम. इसको हम 373 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर हीट देते हैं. 373 डिग्री, दैट मीन्स 373 डिग्री केल्विन हीट हम उसको अप्लाई करते हैं. देन इट विल कन्वर्टेड टू CaSO4 half H2O, that is POP hemihydrate, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. And setting, जब हम इसको पानी दे देंगे, जब when we give water to it, that means when we supply water to it, it will again convert it into CaSO4 twice H2O. और कितना वाटर देना होगा? CaSO4, it is plaster of Paris, half H2O. Then we will give 1.5 water molecule again to it. That means it need only 2 molecule of water for setting. For setting, it need only 2 molecules of water, and already it is having half molecule of water. तो इतना अगर हम इसे और प्रोवाइड करा दें तो it will again convert it into gypsum twice H2O. It is known as gypsum, calcium sulfate dihydrate, and common name gypsum. So the question can be asked कि gypsum को 373 डिग्री केल्विन पर अगर हम हीट दे रहे हैं तो what will be the product? What will be the product? So you will write the product will be POP, and on providing water to POP, it will again convert it to gypsum, a hard material. जो क्या होता है, सेटिंग हो जाती है. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सेटिंग. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सेटिंग. ओके, ये सीमेंट की तरह सेट हो जाता है, हार्ड बन जाता है. सो और हमने देखा भी है कि प्लास्टर करते हैं हम तो उसमें हम उसको पानी प्रोवाइड करते हैं प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस को. आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हाट हैपेंस कि वो एक हार्ड मटेरियल बन जाता है जिस दैट इज नोन एज जिप्सम. ओके, एंड ऑन हीटिंग जिप्सम व्हाट वी विल गेट, वी विल हैव प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. and uses I told earlier as well, and you can write uses from the textbook as well. Okay. Now the next topic is and very important as well, कि water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. As we have seen some salts, we know that कि it seems to be dry in state. The crystal of some powder, as we have learned in plaster of Paris as well. Plaster of Paris need 2H2O water to form its crystals. So what is water of crystallization? Water of crystallization. Crystallization. very important. Water of crystallization, किसी भी फॉर्मूले में डॉट करके वाटर दिया गया हो, तो दैट मीन्स द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल विल बी नोन एज वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. दैट मीन्स उसके क्रिस्टल बनाने के लिए दैट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इज नीडेड. इट मस्ट नीडेड. that number of molecule is needed for making crystal of that salt. Okay, let's suppose we know that copper sulfate solution is blue in color, and in previous classes you prepared as well कि water इसके जो सल्फेट के कॉपर सल्फेट के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, that means crystal होते हैं, it is blue in color on having 5 water molecule. So this water is known as, जो उसके क्रिस्टल हमें मिलेंगे वो इस फॉर्म में हमें मिलेंगे. ऐसा लगता नहीं कि उसमें वाटर होगा, बट ऑन हीटिंग व्हाट हैपेंस, जब हम इसे हीट करेंगे तो दिस वाटर विल इवेपोरेट. दिस वाटर विल इवेपोरेट एंड now crystal will be converted into powdered form. Crystal will be converted to the powdered form. So this is water of crystallization. लेकिन ये मॉइस्चर से भी, दैट मीन्स एटमॉस्फेयर से मॉइस्चर लेके दोबारा अपने क्रिस्टल फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. अगर हम उसको अपने रूम टेम्परेचर में रहने दें तो एटमॉस्फेयर से भी मॉइस्चर लेके अपने क्रिस्टल फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लर्न की to understand ki what is water of crystallization. The water molecule attached with any salt, it is known as water of crystallization. So this is water of crystallization. That means on having 5 molecules of water, it will form its crystal. Copper sulfate will form its crystal. And on heating, what happens कि जब हम इसे हीट करेंगे तो ये it will convert to CuSO4, that means copper sulfate plus 5 water molecule will evaporate. That means in gaseous form it will evaporate. And CuSO4, here it is in crystal form. It is in crystal form. On heating, it will be converted to its powdered form. Powdered form. That means powder form. In powder form, it will convert. As we have learned in the case of gypsum as well. Gypsum, here it is in crystal form. On heating, what it will produce? On heating, what it will produce? It will produce plaster of Paris, POP. That means CaSO4 dot half H2O. Though it is also having half H2O. Thereafter, फिर भी इसमें क्या होता है? ये powdered form में होता है. Though it is looked dry, but it is having half water molecule, and half water molecule will evaporate. Okay, and अगर हम इसको दोबारा से ये प्रोवाइड करा दें तो it will form again gypsum. That means again ये अपनी crystal form में आ जाएगा. So this is water of crystallization. In potash alum, we have learned as well. In potash alum, in double salt, I told you earlier as well. That is potash alum K2SO4. K2SO4 and Al2SO4 whole thrice, then chop 24H2O. That means ये दोनों सॉल्ट हैं अपने इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन में, इनके साथ इतने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल होते हैं. दो इट इज लुक्ड ड्राई स्टेट, ये हमें सूखे हुए नजर आते हैं, बट वो क्या होते हैं? इट कंटेन्स वाटर इन इट. जैसे ही हम इसको गर्म करेंगे तो ये अपने पाउडर्ड फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. और ये 24 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल क्या होंगे, इवापोरेट हो जाएंगे. शुगर इज ऑल्सो अ क्रिस्टल. ओके, the white crystalline Bans misri we eat, it is also what, crystal form. Okay, so it is very important ki what is water of crystallization, the water molecule attached with any salt or any compound, it is known as water of crystallization. And water of crystallization means कि इस कंपाउंड को कितने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल चाहिए ताकि वो क्या बना ले, अपने क्रिस्टल बना ले. Okay, the amount of water needed by any compound to form its crystal, it's known as water of crystallization. The definition and the rest of the thing of this you have to write from the textbook. Very easy it is. I am just describing what is water of crystallization. That is here as well. Copper, how many, that is number of water molecules needed by copper sulfate solution to form its crystal, it is known as water of crystallization. Any compound you can say कि the number of water molecule needed by any compound or any salt to form its crystal is known as water of crystallization. Here you can see when we provide copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate 5 molecule of water, so what it will form? It will form copper sulfate and 5H2O, and here you will have crystals of copper sulfate, and here it is in powdered form, and here you will have crystals of copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate. Okay, so the process is vice versa. उसमें से हम water evaporate करा दें on providing heat. So what will happen कि ये water molecule अलग हो जाएगा, and what will remain? Only the powder of copper sulfate solution. Here as well you can see कि gypsum को हमने heat करा दिया. Gypsum is a crystal. Gypsum को हमने heat करा दिया. So what will have? We will have a powdered mass of POP. POP का powdered mass हमें मिलेगा, and half H2O will evaporate during heating. And again, अगर हम POP में if we provide 1.5 H2O to POP, it again converted to in the form of gypsum during setting. तो ये gypsum हमें provide कराता है. ऐसे ही potassium as well है water of crystallization, जिसमें डॉट करके water of molecule दिया गया होगा, that will be known as water of crystallization. And what is the definition of water crystallization? Again I am telling कि number of water molecule needed by any salt or any compound to form its crystal, it is known as water of crystallization. Okay, so we have done with this chapter, and in further we will after that we will write, that means we will do the exercise of chapter 1 and 2. Okay.